Hello everyone, welcome back here. In this lecture, you are going to be learn HTML comments. These HTML comments are very simple and very easy to write in HTML. Comments are very helpful and writing the information which program and what is the purpose of the implementation of the coding in this particular area you can write down in a comment section, and it won't be visible at an endpoint like the output of the browser or user. So this way you can maintain the comments. So let's simply I can write the comments at beginning itself or ending itself, don't worry. After the table I am writing the HTML comment. To write in a comment we need to take like a less than, exclamatory mark, dash dash, space, dash dash, close the brace of like a right greater than symbol. In this tag in between this here the text area, text here something your comment. So it won't be display in output in the browser. Let's see, after the table footer will display, not this text. Let's see, save it and run the file, reload it. See, nothing is displaying here after the table and before the footer. So this way you can write comment at anywhere. So I'm taking a line of copy. Yeah, here before the table I'm writing something. This table, this is table information for students, okay, created on dated, some example like 2022. You can add any date here, later reference what is the purpose you are created, or any other developer if you is observing the page, he will very clearly understand by seeing the comment line. Okay, this is the purpose. The comments will help more and more. Save it and run. See, check any changes here, no changes. Before table we are added comment here, line here, it won't be displayed in the output. So the comments will help to understand the writing of the code and what is the purpose of description you can add yourself there itself, not in the other form. I hope it's very simple and easy and helpful lecture. Thank you.